Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP, ABAP tip 12. So here I would like to show and explain to you how you can display all of your breakpoints. So I think this can happen that you have set up multiple breakpoints anywhere in the coding, and now you would like to display all of them. And in the menu function, utilities, breakpoints, here you have the option display, and if you click on this, then here you can see all of the available breakpoints. So here you also have the possibility, if you select the second one, you can go to navigate to set the focus into here. If you also want to, then theoretically you can select all or just a couple of breakpoints, and then you can delete them in here as well. You can confirm this, and then you have these deleted. So let's add a couple of breakpoints once again. Go into the ABAP editor, because directly within the ABAP editor you have here, we are in the standard tab, standard view. If you click to breakpoints, watch points, then you have this view, and here you can see that now this breakpoint has been reached. Those two are the next one, and here you also have an overview of all of the breakpoints. You can see where they are, basically in which kind of program, in which kind of line, and theoretically you can also see the visibility and change it. So here you have a lot of functionalities to explore all of your breakpoints in the ABAP editor or in the ABAP debugger. And if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to not miss great upcoming videos. 88 great videos still left about ABAP tips and tricks. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.